friends, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create trigger in MySQL. So first of all, let's check the records in the database table with the select statement. Select a star from versus info tab. These are the records in the database table. Now I'm creating before insert trigger to set discount percent equal to 5 if versus total greater than or equal to 500. So now let's create trigger. To create trigger, first of all write delimiter $, and then create trigger, name the trigger, create trigger before insert purchase info fee. Before insert on, put the table name is purchase info tab. Then before each row, begin end. If new dot fee total greater than or equal to 500, then set new dot discount equal to discount percent equal to 5. Else set new dot discount in percent equal to 0. Okay, now let's execute. Oh, it's displaying an error. To solve this error, need to int if. So int if semicolon. Okay, now execute. Yes, it's executed successfully. Now I'm inserting two records for the purchase total greater than 500 and less than 500 to check whether the trigger is working or not. Okay, this is less than 500 and next one is greater than 500. In both case I put the discount percent 0. Let's check the record first. Yes, they all are 0 now. Now execute. Okay, it's executed successfully. Let's check the data. Yes, now you can see the 250 versus total discount percent 0 and greater than 500 1000 discount percent is 5. Okay, it's working well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.